Hey guys, it's me, the A, B, I and the D. That's right, I'm delighted to be kicking off the first leg of my world tour with a visit to the InnovateEDU conference in South Africa. I am so excited. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Abid Patel. I'm an IT director at a multi-academy trust here in London in the United Kingdom. I've been working in education for over 19 years, and in that time I've helped to develop the digital strategy for our schools to ensure that our children get the best digital learning experiences. I'm also a Google certified trainer and innovator, and during the pandemic I helped to support thousands of educators worldwide through the Google Educator Group Global GEG. I'll be running 2 workshops at InnovateEDU. In the first workshop, we'll take a deep dive into the world of AI, and we'll look at the impact it will have on education. We'll address some of the concerns and what we need to look out for, but more importantly, we'll look at how we can leverage this behemoth of digital innovation in our classrooms and help to transform our practice. Furthermore, we'll also take a look at how we can help our students to spark their own creativity using AI and help to amplify their voice. Really exciting stuff, and a really exciting time to be involved in AI in education. In the second workshop, we'll be taking a look at cybersecurity and online safety in the classroom. Now, I know what you're thinking, this sounds like a very scary session, but don't worry, the A, B, I and the D has got your back. Since the pandemic, our usage of technology has leaped exponentially. So it is really important for us to understand the dangers we face online and how we can stay safe. We'll take a look at why cybersecurity matters, what is a cyber attack, what do I need to look out for, and so much more. But in addition to this, we'll also take a look at online safety and understanding the vital role we play as educators to help keep our students and even ourselves safe online. We'll take a look at the popular online platforms, TikTok, Instagram, Snapchat, YouTube, and we'll identify the key challenges in helping to keep children safe while they're using these platforms. We'll also take a look at some of the wonderful resources like Be Internet Awesome that will help our students to learn through fun and engaging game-based learning. We're going to have so much fun. It's my first time in South Africa and I can't wait to meet you all. I've been the ABI and the D. I can't wait to see you all at InnovateEDU.